jerseys. 5 times. Here we go. We're going to remove Borussia Dortmund. Team on top of the end wins Borussia Dortmund. Here we go. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Newcastle win. 5 times Newcastle on top. Get rid of randomizer. Let's find out who wins Newcastle. Nothing. It was nothing. Newcastle with David Harvey. Congratulations, David. Huss, absolutely. Bailey's sister. Jeez, I wish. Alrighty, first up, Carlos Soler for Valencia. Pedri for Barcelona, numbered 111 of 195. Nice rookie there for Barcelona. That is very good. Federico Valverde for Real Madrid, number 24 of 75. A jersey of Philipp Lahm. Number 1 of 35 for Bayern Munich. Number to just 50, it is a Robin Van Persie mosaic material. To 75, it is Kevin Strootman for Olympique de Marseille. Volcanic. Jersey auto. Oh. And to 149 for Man United, it is AWB jersey auto. Aaron Wan-Bissaka Volcanic jersey auto. To 149 for Man United. And that is Obsidian 5564.